Hey guys, if you find yourself telling Claude Code the same thing over and over again, especially at the start of a project, you might want to be using skills. So let's go take a look at how easy they are to set up. Okay, so a skill is basically a little set of text instructions that an agent is able to reference dynamically based on the situation. They are great for performance because they don't take up so much of the context. The agent first just reads all the available skill descriptions and then it pulls what it needs progressively. Of course, if you have any questions about skills, how to write them, where they live, etc., you could always just ask the agent that you're using, like I'm doing here. Now I'm going to go ahead and ask Claude Code to build me a website without having any skills available. You can see it's going through its steps and ultimately it does a pretty good job, but that's not how I would have done it. Now I want to write a skill instructing it to check the latest Material 3 design docs on the official site and use all material components and use the material design site itself as inspiration. Now, this is a really easy example where I'm basically just telling it what type of style to apply, but you can get super complex and detailed in these instructions and it will follow them. Think like specifics on how to classify and update files or even run detailed experiments. You can write the skill MD file by hand, but I asked Cloud to do it. And this is the file. You can see it took my simple prompt and formatted it into these detailed instructions. Now that I have the skill available, I can force Cloud to use it with the slash command, but it should be able to pull it without me having to. Let's use the same prompt again, and now that it has the material design skill built in, you'll see that the end result is actually a lot closer to how I would have done it myself. I heard someone say the other day that if you're teaching someone to make a sandwich, don't forget to tell them to open the bread bag first. Now, I don't know if you need to go that far with most models, but you get the idea.